All right, welcome back to Trimble Garage. This is going to be a quick video. It's actually a viewer request video on how I did a snorkel on my Sambar. So I already got the bed mat off here, and I'm going to take the engine cover off, and I'll just show you what was involved in putting a snorkel on this thing. So the first thing, of course, the big one is the mast or the snorkel or the masthead. This is actually for an ATV. I can't remember the name of the company that I bought it from, but I will look it up and I'll put it in the description of this video. But it is a 2-inch opening, and what I've done is actually just use 2-inch drain pipe from your home, the black ABS pipe that you get at Home Depot or any hardware store. So it's a 2-inch pipe just glued perfectly into that. I got a 2-inch muffler clamp that just goes through. Obviously I took the headache rack off, I drilled some holes and then put it back, and there's just enough room to get some nuts on here onto that bracket. They're getting a bit rusty. This thing is actually getting tired, this poor little truck. Obviously you got to drill a hole in the bed of your truck and run it through. I put a clamp on here to connect it so that if I have to remove the bed, you know, you don't have to take this off. You can just remove this and then lift it up over top of the little, if you will, spigot that's down there. One thing to know is this truck has got a 2-inch body lift, so it's maybe not possible unless you've got a lift. I don't know. Let's have a look underneath. All right, so looking in the engine compartment, you can see where it comes back through, and I've got a 90-degree, again, a plumbing fitting, another rubber clamp. And then what I did here on the air box, I took the factory pipe spigot off, because normally it connects into your frame. I cut that off and just took a piece of exhaust pipe, bent it 90 degrees, or it was already bent. I cut it off so it was a perfect 90-degree turn here. Welded it onto here, and I got some rubber to adapt it, but yeah, that is it. And also, I don't know if you can see it, you have to cut a hole through that plate, that vertical plate. I don't know if you can see it here. It's hard. There, you can see it right there. I had to cut a hole through there to run it. But now, again, with the 2-inch body lift, I did this all when the body lift was already on. I did it all in one go. I think you'd have to have a body lift to do it. And looking down, I've got this custom box, which is all rusty. But yeah, there it go. It runs through here. You can see that block for the 2-inch body lift. And that runs through. There's the hole that I cut through there with a hole saw, and through there and back into the motor. So it's pretty simple. It's a basic design, but it does work. It is sealed up good. You can actually, if you put your hand on here, you can stall the motor out. It takes a little bit, but it will stall the motor out. Start sputtering anyway. And if you give it gas with your hand on there, yeah, it definitely is a good suction up there. Of course, that's all fine and dandy, but there are other things to consider if you're gonna do something like a snorkel and run underwater. Big one, you got a distributor. That distributor's got to be sealed up tight, because any moisture gets in there, you're done. And as well, on your transmission, which I think it's under the air box, there is a breather tube. You're going to want to run that breather tube up high, because it'll start to fill your transmission up. Although it does have a little gooseneck on it, so maybe that'll act as a trap so water doesn't get in. I would want to probably extend it. But yeah, that's it. That's the snorkel. Of course, my stack exhaust, which I'm actually working on today, because the muffler is rotted out on it, so I'm going to weld a new one in. But that is a quick and nasty video on what's involved in putting a snorkel on your Sambar. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something. But yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.